Hi y'all, it's Ann. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I really appreciate all of you who are watching. Today I have a Fashom unboxing, and this is my very first time to get a Fashom box. And it's just kind of, well, didn't even have to cut. I just had to lift up the tape on it like this. So hopefully everything's still in here. But let's see how Fashom does for me. Scissors. I've got the postage paid envelope, and then a little note that says, "Hello, beautiful." If you want to know the specifics on Fashom, I will have them down in the description box, and I'll give you all the details there, along with a referral code. Oh, oops. Well, lost one. But that's pretty. And holy cow, I'm losing everything. Okay, for the ones that fell out, they obviously wanted to go first. First we have this kind of a blush pink with navy blue flowers. Okay, it's really cute. It's by Gilli. And it's got the high-low. We'll see. It looks a little big, but I have thought that before, and then when I got it on, it is not. All right, next we have another blouse by Gilli, and goodness, very similar to one that I got last week in my Stitch Fix box that I actually ended up keeping, and different pattern, but I like the other one better. Okay, we're just gonna pull it all out here, well, most of it. Okay, next we have, okay, it's a dress. It is by Les Amis. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's just a little layered, 1, 2, 3 layers. And a little ribbon tie. And they offered me, they said, please pick out 5 things that you want, at least 5, or up to 5, that's what it was. Please pick up to 5 items that you want to keep, and otherwise your stylist will pick out whatever. Well, they only gave me 5 options, and these were the ones, so I didn't know if that was normal for them, but I was expecting, since they said it that way, I thought that I would have like 7 or 8, 10 choices, and then they would decide on the rest or whatever, but I only had 5 choices, and I got all 5, so not sure those are choices, but okay. This is the jacket. This is by Skies Are Blue. I love jackets. I am a jacket girl. I'm not sure how I feel about this one. It's a knit. It's a knit, but it kind of has a denim look to it. I don't know if you can tell. And then it's got the turned up sleeves that look like that. I don't know, it's pretty light, so won't make any judgments until I try it on. And then I got these pants by 151, and they're just a kind of a striped almost look like seersucker in the print to me, but they're not. They're a knit, stretchy, very stretchy, which that's good. And that's all I can tell you about those. So here's some interesting choices. One of the things that I do know about Fashom is if you get 3 or more items, well, if you get 3, at least 3, you get 15% off, and then if you get all of them, then you get 30% off. So that's better than a lot of them. Okay, so I did not get a note. You don't get a note from them. Okay, well, scratch that. They also don't give you like styling suggestions, I've noticed, like the other ones do. Let me try them on and I'll be back. Okay, this first deal is the Gilli Deb animal print top. Just didn't like it. It didn't like the shape of it, didn't like the color. I just thought the kind of the gray pink was not pretty. I got one of these last time from Stitch Fix that was that kind of style, but much prettier and fit better. This is the Skies Are Blue Renee Knit Casual Blazer, and I actually think looking at it like this, it looks pretty cute. I like the cut. I like everything about the look of it, but I just feel like close up the knit, and it didn't feel expensive, and it's not expensive. You know, it's $48, but it just felt cheap. I'm trying to be nice, but it felt cheap. Okay, the Gilli Beck's floral top is pretty. I like it. I think the color's pretty. I like the blue, the navy florals. I like the navy flowers. I like the high-low. I just have several of these, and again, it wouldn't be something I would like grab all the time. The railroad pants, they remind me of a railroad engineer. 151 jeans, striped twill knit pull-on crop pants. I just don't, they were okay. They were very comfortable. They were stretchy and comfortable. I just didn't love them. They're just okay. And next, this, oh my gosh, the Lay A Me Abril ruffle dress. It was a little okay with the jacket on, but when I take the jacket off, it's just, boy, it just could not be more not me. It just didn't like the shape, don't like anything about it. Okay, y'all, this one's gonna be pretty easy. I am really just going to pack this stuff right back up and send it all back. I hate that, but let me know if you've had better luck with Fashom than this, and if I should give them another try. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and especially those of you who've gotten this far in the video. And I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.